मैं लड़ जाना, मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना।
आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमी ही विद्यार्थ्यांना नॅशनल डिफेन्स अकॅडमी पुणे येथे प्रवेश मिळवून देण्यासाठी विशेष मार्गदर्शन करणारी संस्था आहे. आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमी महाराष्ट्र शासन मान्य संस्था आहे. या संस्थेमध्ये भारतीय संरक्षण मंत्रालयाचे सर्व निकष पाळले जातात.
Myself Ritesh Salve. Asta Defense Academy facilities are very good as compared to the another academy. I am properly able to get well food here. The teaching staff is very good and well experienced. My dream is join to the Indian Navy.
विद्यार्थ्यांना येथे प्रथम 11वी सायन्स विभागात प्रवेश दिला जातो. विद्यार्थ्यांना CBSE पॅटर्ननुसार टीचिंग केले जाते. 11वी 12वी साठी विद्यार्थ्यांना औरंगाबाद युनिव्हर्सिटी व पुणे युनिव्हर्सिटी अंतर्गत प्रवेशाची सोय आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांना कॉलेज, हॉस्टेल, मेस व कोचिंगची सोय एकाच कॅम्पसमध्ये उपलब्ध आहे.
Myself Ritesh Savan. I am from Astha Defense Academy. Our academy is also focused on physical exercise. For physical exercise, in our academy there are two instructors. One was a army retired Raghunath sir, and second was two-time national Shivam sir. We wake up early at 5 a.m. Then our PT start at 5:30 a.m. Till 6:30. Then in this period we will do many varieties of exercise like push-up, pull-ups, running. Then our instructors takes our yoga. Therefore Astha Defense Academy is better in physical exercise. My dream is join NDA. The Astha Defense Academy is one of the best academy for NDA.
येथे विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकविण्यासाठी IIT कानपूर, खरगपूर, चेन्नई, पवई, हैदराबाद येथील उच्च विद्या विभूषित शिक्षक आहेत. आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमीचे कॅम्पस औरंगाबाद स्थित श्रेष्ठ इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजच्या परिसरात आहे. हा परिसर निसर्गरम्य वातावरणात आहे. हा परिसर 60-70 एकराचा आहे. याच्या तिन्ही बाजूने सह्याद्रीच्या पर्वतरांगा आहेत व एका बाजूला गर्द हिरवी झाडी आहे. या परिसरातून 3 मोठे पाण्याचे तलाव आहेत. 1 गेट एंट्री सोबतच येथे प्रवेश करावा लागतो.
Myself Rohit Nimbalkar. Schedule of Astha Defense Academy is very perfect as per taking knowledge, discipline, punctuality. I want to become a army officer. Astha Defense Academy help to achieve my goal.
24 तास विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सिक्युरिटीची उपलब्धता आहे. प्रत्येक वर्गात CCTV कॅमेरे आहेत. हॉस्टेलमधील प्रत्येक खोलीत CCTV कॅमेरे उपलब्ध आहेत. विद्यार्थ्यांना कोर्स सिलेबस पूर्ण करण्यासोबतच त्यांचे फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग म्हणजेच NDAच्या SSB इंटरव्ह्यूची पण तयारी लष्करातील उच्च पदस्थ निवृत्त अधिकाऱ्याच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली करवून घेतली जाते. आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमीमध्ये तज्ज्ञ मार्गदर्शकाद्वारे योगा, विपश्यना साधना, प्राणायाम इत्यादी विषयामध्ये तयारी करविल्या जातात.
My name is Sai Sunilmari. I am from Astha Defense Academy. We have every type of security and safety. For our security, we have ex-army Raghunath sir, where live with us in morning to night, and after that, from night to morning, there was Shivam sir with us. And for extra security, in our academy, there was CCTV camera was fitted, and also not only but also there was in our campus where we are playing in grounds and walking or something. There was security cameras. Therefore, I feel safe in this academy. I came here in Asta Defense Academy to prepare NDA preparation for Indian Army.
खेळण्यासाठी विद्यार्थ्यांना 7 एकराचे भव्य क्रीडा संकुल आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांना तज्ज्ञ खेळाडू विविध खेळ शिकवितात. विद्यार्थ्यांना जिल्हा, राज्य व राष्ट्रीय पातळीवर स्पोर्ट्समध्ये खेळण्याची संधी महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीने उपलब्ध करून दिली जाते.
Myself Rameshwar Ashok Jadhav. From my childhood I have dreamed to join Defence Academy, National Defence Academy, and once to be an army officer. And from my childhood my father also motivated me for it. After passing 10th I joined Asta Defence Academy for it. While joining I got that this study is so important, and class 9th, 8th, 10th and 11th, 12th are so important for that. So in Asta Defence Academy the main thing is that the teaching, the way of the teachers, that this teaches us a very good way. Their schedule is so packed here, so I learned the time management. The time management from daily routines, we are getting early at 5 a.m. and sleep at 11. The another thing is that I want to specifically say that the maths, there are 3 teachers for the math, one for M1, second for M2 and third is for the MCQ questions. And after completing the chapter, there are weekly tests. One is theory and one is MCQ test. After getting the exams result, we are able to analyze the exams. The facilities about academy is that whatever the facilities we get are too awesome. At other academies are providing, the campus is so good as it is surrounded by the natural resources. Its climate is so also good, and the qualification about this academy is there are 2 students which qualified the written exam. And I want to also say that now next year there also will be some more students that will qualify this exam. I want to be an army officer in the future.
संगीत, वाचन, पर्यटन या विषयामध्ये विशेष रुची निर्माण करून दिली जाते. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना आपलं उज्ज्वल भवितव्य घडवायचं आहे, वयाच्या 23व्या वर्षी सुपर क्लास 1 अधिकारी बनायचं आहे, त्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी निश्चितच आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमीमध्ये प्रवेश घ्यावा.
Myself, Sahil Vijay from Asta Defence Academy. The teaching staff of Asta Defence Academy is good as compared to another defense academy. The teachers are give us guidance for NDA to prepare for any competitive exam like JEE, NEET, NDA. And the non-teaching staff are also good. They help us for any kind of help. In Asta Defence Academy, there are weekly tests. I come here for preparation of NDA.
तर आजच आपण आपला प्रवेश आस्था डिफेन्स अकॅडमीमध्ये निश्चित करावा.